Ready? Let's go.
All right, guys, today 14-minute interval workout. And I don't plan on taking it easy on you. I'm going to show you why this is my channel and I'm the king. Hopefully. No, I am. First, Bowflex Max Trainer. Isn't she gorgeous? Down in the descriptions, you can find a link, go directly to Bowflex, show you all their equipment. Or just a Max Trainer, which you're interested in. The coldest. There's another link down there. Click on it. Coldest water bottle. They don't just have water bottles. They have ice packs. They have riding gear. They have everything that you can imagine. Go check them out. Support the channel, please. Big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification. I hope you're ready to work out. I am not in the mood to take it easy today. I'll see you on the machine. You have an alternative heart monitor, set that now. Remember, just the big backs button on the 14-minute. 3, 2, 1, hit the max.
Okay guys, here we go. Get into it. This is the sprint. Keep it going, keep it going. Remember those drills we did before? You got 10 seconds left. Come on. Hang on to it. Do not quit early. 1. Relax. Now remember I told you, this is my gym. I'm going to hold it up pretty high on the recovery here. You can see I'm past 30 calorie burn rate right now. Probably hovering right around 32, 33. Now if you can't recover at this higher rate, back it down. You have to get comfortable. Nice deep breath in. Let it out. Now I'm just going for a hard workout here, but I want you guys to really concentrate on the recovery. Still got plenty of time. Still got 27 seconds left. Concentrate on your breathing. Keep it flowing. 15 seconds. We'll be coming up on round number 2. Enjoy the workout. Don't be discouraged by it. 2, 1. Let's go again. Juice it up. Come on. Don't hold back. This is where you're going to burn the calories. Let's go, let's go. You have 10 seconds left. You can get it. Come on. Here you go. 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Bring it down. Bring it down. No problem. Nice deep breath. Always remember to breathe, guys. You have to get that oxygen down deep in those lungs. Lack of oxygen is what makes your arms and your legs get tired really quick. It's lactic acid that builds up in them. Keep spinning. Nice easy pace for you. My experts out there that have been working out with me for a while, you guys should be trying to catch me. This is why I decided to go with this fast pace today. Remember guys, we're doing in 14 minutes what takes most people to do in an hour. You got 20 seconds, still plenty of time to recover. This is a full body workout. Equal pressure from your arms and legs. 2, 1. Here we go again. Let's go. Juice it up. Juice it up. Keep it going. This is where the workout is. This is where the calorie burn is. This is why you got the machine. Work that machine. That machine does not come cheap. Make it earn its keep in that house. There you go. Relax, relax, bring it down. The first thing you should be thinking about is a nice deep breath in and let it out slow. Keep repeating that the whole entire time you are recovering. If you need to get fluids in you, make sure you got your bottle right there. Get them fluids in there. Keep spinning, keep spinning. The only thing you guys are not allowed to do is stop. I don't care if you come all the way down to a crawl. As long as that needle is showing something on your monitor, that is what matters. Because you can't do it to the degree that I can is not an excuse to stop. You're doing great. 10 seconds. Next round's coming up. 2, 1. Juice it up. Let's go. This is the workout. Do the best you can. Try to get it back up to where that interval was from last time. If you can, try to beat it. Keep spinning, keep spinning. Looking good. Come on. All right. Relax, relax. We got plenty of time to recover. We're halfway there, guys. It is no big deal. You guys should be thinking about nice and smooth. Find a way to relax. If your legs are getting tired, get that full extension on your arms coming from your shoulders. Make sure you're helping those legs out. If your arms are getting tired, especially like in your biceps, find a different hand position. If you're getting fatigued right now, sometimes if you take your hands off the handlebars and put them down on the post and just force your legs to go extra slow, you can recover that way also. We got 10 seconds going into our next round. You guys are doing great. Here we go, juice it up. Let's get it. Don't you dare back off. That whole series, this is what we were training for. We got 10 seconds. You hang on to it. Don't you dare back off now. Keep it going, keep it going. 1, relax. Great. I know you're tired. I'm tired. Think I can push these kind of numbers and this kind of speed without being tired? We are all working out together. We might be working out at different speeds, but as long as we are all giving 110%, we are all putting forth the same effort. Keep that in your mind. This is why I started a YouTube channel, for everyone to be equal. It doesn't matter where my control panel is. If you were chasing me, great. If you can't come nowhere near me, as long as you're giving 100%, that's what matters. Nice deep breath. I'm always going to remind you to breathe, guys. You have to breathe. And don't pant. Panting's just moving air back and forth to your mouth. You need that deep breath into the bottom of your lungs. That is where the white blood cells are oxygenated, and that's what makes your legs not so tired. You have to get that there. Come on, juice it up. Juice it up. Let's go. I know. It hurts. It will stop hurting in a few seconds here. Come on. Keep it going. You got 10 seconds. You can hang on to it. Don't you dare cut me short. 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Bring it down. Guys, every time you cut that short, you're only cutting yourself short. You want the best stats you can have, so you have a honest comparison from the last time that you've done your 14-minute workout. You got 1 minute, plenty of time to recover. Nice and steady. Oh, I told you. You come to my house. I'm the king here. And I'm putting down some numbers today. There you are. Keep spinning. Got to do this once in a while, guys. I have to show you that I can really spin this machine. I love to take it easy and wait for my beginners. But sometimes the only way my beginners get faster is you have to chase fast people. It's just a reality. We got 10 seconds. Going for our next round. 1, let's juice it. Come on. You don't have to get into the red zone, but you just have to do better than when you were pacing. Keep it moving. Let's go, let's go. We got 10 seconds left. Come on. Keep spinning it. Close your eyes if you have to, but keep spinning. 3, 2, 1. Bang. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bam. You got it. Nice. You're almost there, guys. We can see the finish line. We got to get another sprint. You guys are doing excellent. Excellent. I'm feeling the pain. Don't think I'm not. I am pushing hard today. Here we go. I'm going to remind you again, guys, you got to breathe. That's the secret to this workout. That nice deep breath into the bottom of your lungs. You have to get it there. You got 30 seconds. You have plenty of time to recover. If you have to slow this machine all the way down to a crawl before the next sprint, then do it. You got plenty of time. Come on. 15 seconds. This is your last sprint coming up. That red dot that you have on that control panel, I want you to have that needle match it. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. This is the last one. Get it there. Let's go. Keep it going. Don't you dare back off 10 seconds. You're going to hate yourself if you quit. You are doing this for you. 3, 2, 1. Relax. All we have to do is get across that finish line. If there is a certain number in your head that you wanted to get today, this is the time to try to redeem it. Get those few extra calories burnt. You still have 1 minute to do something with it. 1 minute is a long time on this machine. That's why I always tell you guys, don't ever say we're almost there, because we are not almost there until we hit the finish line. Keep spinning, keep breathing. You have 40 seconds. Let's go. Less than 30 seconds now. We're almost to the finish. Man, you guys did good today. If you tried to hang with me at all, when you're done, give yourself a round of applause. I pushed it hard today. I did it so you would chase me. Three, two, one. Congratulations, great workout. And yes, I am dead.
All right, great workout. Hope you at least try to keep up. I haven't done that in a while, just take off, but once in a while you guys need that. You need to try to come chase me. Man, 5:01 in 14 minutes on my calorie burn. That's what makes me the king of this gym. I want you to be better than me. And the only way for you to get better is you gotta chase fast people. Keep this in mind. I'm gonna remind you all the time. We are not working out for today. We're working out for when we can. And if you don't understand what that means, it means there's gonna come a day that you can't get up and walk around. But because of all the stuff you're doing now, your muscles are gonna be nice and tight, and you're not gonna be one of those fragile old people who just shatter apart when you fall down. It's gonna come a day. So just keep that in mind. We're working out today for when we can't work out. Love you guys. All right, I'll talk to you next time.